Welcome to AI Side Hustle, the podcast that helps you make money online using artificial intelligence. Before we start, please visit our website at ai-sidehustle.blogspot.com for free tools, prompts, and resources. Do not forget to follow us, like, and share this episode with a friend who needs to hear it. 3 Fastest ways to make AI videos: no face, no mic, no editing skills. Create a full YouTube video with no face, no microphone, and zero editing experience. Impossible. Watch until the end. I'll show you 3 free tools that do it in under 10 minutes. First method, use Pictory.ai or Invideo AI. These tools turn any article or script into a complete video with stock footage and AI voiceover. Just paste your text, and the AI does the rest. Second method, create a talking AI avatar with Heygen or Synthesia. You type your script, choose a realistic avatar, and the AI lip syncs perfectly. This looks incredibly professional and costs way less than hiring a video editor. Third method, this is the one I use the most. Record your screen showing an AI tool in action, add a voiceover using ElevenLabs, free tier, and put it all together in CapCut, free on mobile and desktop. No face, no fancy equipment, just pure value. Which one should you choose? If you're a complete beginner, start with method number 3, it's the cheapest and fastest. Once you get comfortable, experiment with AI avatars. And remember, the script is what matters most. I've linked 5 free script templates in the description. Try one of these methods this week, and let me know which one worked best for you in the comments. Subscribe for more AI side hustles every week, and I'll see you in the next video.